welcome back to my channel Pilumi Secrets. I'm Pilumi. So in today's video I will be showing you how to make an OBI belt. I made this OBI belt using black Duchess satin material. I've been seeing this everywhere made with leather, but I don't have leather, so I decided to use a black satin fabric, and I think it came out really nice. And I am pairing it with this dress I made on my channel last year. So if you want to see a video of how I made this off-shoulder dress as well, the link will be in the tutorial below. Check that out. But today it's this belt. Can't really go with anything really. I love it. So if you want to see how I made this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and leave a comment as well. Tell me how you found the tutorial, if it was helpful, if you made something like this already. So the materials you need are non-stretchy fabric. Here I'm using black satin fabric. You need fusible interfacing, your basic sewing supplies like rulers, scissors, pins, chalk, measuring tape, and the rest of it. So to start out with the front belt, I'm going to fold my fabric in half to make it easier to cut, and the measurement for this front belt is half of the waist circumference minus 2 inches plus 0.5 inch for seam allowance. Just place that on my fabric and mark it. The height of the belt is 4 inches, or however wide you want your belt to be, but it's nicer when it's not too wide. So I'm going to cut out 2 pieces of that for the front and the back. If you're using 2 separate fabrics for the front and the back, you then cut 1 piece for the front and 1 piece from the back from the 2 different fabrics. Now I'm just going to shape the front belt a little bit on the sides by cutting out a little bit of fabric in a triangular form on the short side and on the long side, like so. So once I'm done marking, I just cut off the triangle to create like a trapezoid. I'm not sure what the shape is. So I do that for both front pieces. Next step is to measure out the straps for tying in front. The measurement is the waist plus 5 inches plus 0.5 inch allowance. I'm going to cut out 4 of those. So I have 4 strap pieces, which I will join together to make 2 strap pieces. The next thing I did was to angle out the belt straps. So just like cut it in a slanted form and place the straps together, 2 straps together, and sew at the top and at the bottom, and leave one end free for turning. I ironed interfacing on one side only because I don't want it to be too thick. Then I placed the pieces together, right sides facing, and sewed it together with a straight stitch. After sewing the front belt piece and the straps, then you can just turn them to the right side. And it is very important for you to press it so everything is laying down flat, and if you want it to be extra secured, you can also do the top stitch. The final step is to insert the belt straps into the front belt and just secure that with a straight stitch. and with that you are done with your belt. I think I see myself using this belt in different ways, in different outfits, and it's black, it's neutral, it can go with a lot of outfits, so I look forward to actually styling this. But for today I'm styling it with my off-shoulder dress, which I made a tutorial of on my channel, so please do check that out to find out how I made this off-shoulder dress. I think it works together because it's a very loose dress, so bringing it together at the waist with this belt makes it look even better. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful. Please, if you do make something similar, share it with me on Instagram at pilums.secret, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.